Hi everyone! In this video, I will explain to you which is better, Robinhood versus Webull on paper trading. First, let's go with Robinhood. For its ease of use, it is known for its clean minimalist interface that's beginner friendly, focuses on simplicity, making it easy for users to start trading stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. Now for its pricing, Robinhood has no commissions for stock, ETF, or options trading, no account minimums, making it accessible for new investors. Now let's go with its paper trading. Robinhood does not offer paper trading. Users must trade with real money, which limits risk-free practice opportunities. It is best suited for those ready to dive into real trading with a simple interface. Now let's go to the Webull. For its ease of use, it is slightly more complex with advanced charting tools, indicators, and customization options. Better suited for intermediate and advanced traders who want detailed analytics. Now for its pricing. Webull also offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options, but it requires a $2,000 minimum for margin accounts, aligning with FINRA regulations. Now for its paper trading. It offers paper trading with virtual funds, allowing users to practice and refine trading strategies without financial risk. Includes features like real-time data, customizable virtual balances, and even competitions. Now, which should you choose? Choose Robinhood if you're ready to trade with real money. Now choose Webull especially for those who want to practice strategies and use advanced tools. And that's basically it.